Hey friends, this is Charlene Davis with charlenesfreedompath.com, and today I just wanted to record a short video to talk a little bit about my progress since I started working the Power Lead system a few months ago. So when I started the program, I didn't do much with it for the first few months. I didn't really know what to do at that point. I bought some solo ad traffic to just start building my list. And that is the quickest way to build your list when it comes to online marketing. But after that, I really wasn't sure what to do with my list. So as time went on, our group started a 90-day training program with a couple of our leaders doing live training. And from that point on, I started learning exactly what I needed to do on a daily basis to make money in this program. And essentially, I can take that training and make money in any other online program. So I wanted to just share some of my results with you over the past few weeks or month or so. And so when you come on with me through the Power Lead system, first of all, you will have access to this fabulous training group that I keep talking about. And that group is called the Freedom Takers. And that Freedom Takers group has all the training and everything that you could need in our back office. It has a lot of support, a lot of help. We answer a lot of questions, and you will get access to this group. And then within this group, you'll get access to the 90-day training blitz that we are doing live right now. If you are first coming in now and the training is already started or the training has been completed, all of these trainings will be recorded for you to go back and watch. So let me get on with some of my results here over the past few weeks or so. So one of the things that I've been really focusing on through this 90-day blitz is learning how to generate free traffic. I never really understood how to generate free traffic through social media or YouTube, and the importance of that until I started doing this training with some of our leaders. So as you can see, I am generating traffic every single day. So this was yesterday, June 18th. And again, keep in mind, this is all free traffic, people that are inquiring either through my Facebook page or some of the postings that I have put out there in Facebook groups or from my videos. So yesterday I generated 5 leads. The day before that, just 1. The 16th, it was 11 leads, 13. And these are all people that are opting in to my marketing page to really learn more about the program and how it works. So they become leads. Once those leads get into my system, the Power Lead system has an autoresponder built in with email messages that start to go out to these folks on a daily basis. And that's very important. Most people do not make a purchasing decision the first time that they look at something. So it's very important to have a follow-up system in place as well, which is something I didn't really know before doing this 90-day training. So then we can go back and we can take a look at some of the sales that I've had. I've been focusing more on free traffic, so leads and sales will tend to start coming in a little bit slower, and that is okay. Because at the beginning, when you're building this business, you're building a foundation for this business, and you need to give it at least 90 to 100 days before you're starting to see some really consistent results. At the beginning, it's a little bit here and a little bit there, and not very consistent. But I'm consistently now, over the past, since the 1st of June, maybe the end of May is when I really started focusing on learning the art of free traffic. And I am consistently getting leads in every single day now. And as the days go on, if I go back to June 3rd, 31st, the end of May, it was typically one lead a day or one inquiry a day. But as I move up here through June 18th, I'm getting multiple leads per day. And that is definitely due to my learning the skills that the Freedom Takers group has given me, and the training that they've given me to learn what it is that I needed to do on a daily basis. So these are some of the results that I've just received in the last couple of weeks as far as my leads go. So get in touch with me. My link is down below this video. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. The link is for my Facebook page. Connect with me on Facebook, or shoot me a text or an email. All of that information is listed below. I also do want to make note that again, when you come on board, get started with me, you will have immediate access to the Freedom Takers group. To become an affiliate, to start earning commissions, you have to be a gold member. And a gold member means you can simply just start receiving commissions. The gold membership is $53.97 per month. To access the 90-day Blitz training, you have to at least be a diamond member or above. And a diamond member is a one-time payment of $147. So what that means is, as a gold member, you will receive unlimited $20 commissions residual every month. As a diamond member, you will unlock $100 unlimited commissions every month. And the next level would be the platinum level, which is a one-time payment of $497 per month. And that would unlock unlimited $400 commissions. So please come in where you can, get started, start learning how to generate free traffic. We have lots of training in the back office to the Power Lead system. That talks about how to to do free traffic as well, how to do ads, whether it be Bing ads, Google ads, Facebook ads, paid ads, free ads. All of that training is here in the back office, but I highly encourage you to come in at least at a diamond member or above, because you will then have access to this group, which will then give you all the 90-day training that we're talking about to lay out the exact blueprint of all the things that you need to do every single day. The successful people in online marketing do the same tasks every single day. Consistently over time creates success, creates income, and we'd like to be able to help you achieve that if that is your goal. So again, below my video, find me on Facebook, click on charlenesfreedompath.com, check out the business opportunity and what we have to offer, and also make sure you subscribe to my channel. Thanks so much and have a great day.